In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Instagram music not showing in your country. So there are two ways you can go ahead and fix it. Simply go ahead and open your Instagram application, click on your profile. On the top right, click on the triple dot icon. And finally, all you want to do is simply scroll all the way down until you find your account settings or account type. Click on that and then switch to a personal account. Sometimes what happens is when you are on a professional account, it might go ahead and restrict music access based on the commercial rules and agreements. So that is going to be the first method. If you are already on your personal and if it still doesn't show that, then the only way you can do it is going to be by using a third-party VPN to change your location. And that is going to be the most reliable. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.